good evening. So today we are going to unpack this. Let's see. And I'm going to make an honest review as well for these items or products. So here, let's see. So maybe maybe after a week of use, because I'm going to use this maybe I'm gonna do it tomorrow. It's a leather paint because I have a bag that I need to recolor. There's one, I got the black. Actually, I'm going to buy more pa. So this is just unboxing. I will do a review on all of these. See, I got this from Liam Jacobs. Liam Jacob. So I got two leather. I'm confused. I'm going to buy additional pa. So this is just parang test. I'm going to buy more pa. I should have bought the tagal ko na sana dapat ito. Pero kasi nga so these are all edge. Kasi I have a pink bag that I need to retouch. I think I'm going to need to buy brown because you know, if you have a bag that you just left there somewhere, it's not a bag actually. Well, the other one is a bag, the pink one. It was a new bag. I mean, it's an old bag. So, syempre, kapag old, so, na. Hindi na talaga. So, there. Ewan kong kinain ng ipis. Dikit-dikit. So, yun. And then I have a new. It's actually new, but I just left this somewhere and look what it did, or what happened with this part. See, I didn't use this kasi I just put it in here, like on the, this is a cabinet, I mean it's like a drawer or something. So that's it. And these strong adhesive, because may paggagamitan ako ito. Yung pair niya like this. Oops. Kita ba? Anyway. Natuklap or something. So I need to use this. And I'm not sure why I bought this. Well, it's paint applicator. And this is leather conditioner. So this is good for all of my bags. I'm actually going to buy some more of the, because I have a Burberry bag that I don't know what happened, yung sa lining niya na nag-crack something, so I have to use putty on it. Putty or putty? Putty. Anyway, so I have to use that, but looks like I did not buy it, so I need a brown for that. So I'm going to buy a brown, because I have to mix so I can get that desired color. Brown, yellow, and cleaner, because this is leather conditioner. So I'll use this right away sa isa kong bag na para siyang snake skin, something parang ganun. So I'm gonna use it for that because it's really rough, like super rough na siya. So I need this for the entire bag, and it's a big bag. But I'm gonna use this like small amount. I have lots of leather bags. I actually even have a bag na para siyang, I don't know, it's a skin ng horse or cow. No, I think it's horse. And it's still okay. It's still nice. Like, you can feel the, talaga, yung sa skin niya. So, that's it. Yeah, I really need the brown one. So, this, I'm going to need sa isa kong bag na para siyang patent leather, I think, or vernice, something ganun. I don't know, siguro alcohol para may pumatak or something, and you can't undo it. That I need to correct. Hopefully this one will do the job, and this I'm gonna use it for my other bag to redo the color. I don't like the para kasi siyang monogram, and I want it black. This for my pink bag sa lining, yung edge niya. And that's it. Thank you very much. Well, I got all these. They're complete. I'll just have to add some more. Alright, well, thank you very much everyone for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel. I'm gonna be posting honest review. Well, honest, hindi naman to hindi naman siya sponsored, so of course, let's be harsh. Alright, well, thank you again, and have a great day, night, or kung anong araw ngayon when you watch it. Thank you, and bye-bye.